7 Medicinal properties of mango leaves that you aren't aware of. Mango is known as one of the most popular tropical fruits with high nutritional value. Besides its unique flavor, taste, and fragrance, mango can provide a number of heat-promoting properties. Mangoes are only found in the large areas of India, which exports huge quantities of mangoes to all countries. When you first look into mango leaves, you will see that they are basically like the all other leaves, green in color. Initially, their color is reddish, but as they grow their color turns into dark greenish. Mango leaves have potent antioxidant properties. They are abundant with vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin C and flavonoids and phenols. These leaves are significantly beneficial for our body and health, so today we will present you some of their health benefits. Keep reading and find out more how these leaves can help you to treat some of the most common health issues. 1. Helps in treatment of restlessness. Anxiety is considered as the main cause of restlessness. Usually, we are not able to find some solution for this problem. In fact, we get deeper into it. But mango leaves can help you in the case of restlessness. Just add mango leaves to the bath water or prepare a tea and add it to the bath water. This will refresh your body and will treat the uneasiness. 2. Blood pressure can be reduced. Mango leaves have powerful hypotensive properties that can help in lowering the blood pressure. They can also strengthen the blood vessels. 3. Respiratory problems. These super healthy leaves are also recommended for people who suffer from cold, asthma, and other respiratory problems. Add some mango leaves in boiling water, and when the remedy is ready, add honey. This will treat your cough as well as problems related to voice loss. 4. Diabetes. Mango leaves are packed with tannins called anthocyanidins, beneficial in the case of diabetes. You should dry the leaves and crush them in order to get a powder. This method can help you to treat the early stage of diabetes. Diabetic angiopathy and diabetic retinopathy are the two diabetic-related problems which can be treated with mango leaves. You should take a cup of water and soak the leaves into the water. Let it stand overnight and in the morning strain and drink the water. This method will relieve the diabetic symptoms. Moreover, this remedy contains ethyl acetate extract and 3-beta-taraxerol, compounds that can synergize with insulin to activate GLUT4. This helps in the synthesis of the glycogen, thus treating hyperglycemia. 5. Stops dysentery. Dry the mango leaves and crush them to get a powder. Take this with water 3 times a day. This will stop the dysentery. 6. Heal burns. You should burn a bunch of leaves until they form ashes. Apply the ashes to the affected area. This will relieve your pain and speed up the healing process. 7. Earache. Mango leaves are also beneficial for earache. Squeeze the juice from the mango leaves. Take a spoon of this drop and heat it. Use this as ear drops in order to relieve